This large villa is a 1014 two-story villa, covering a total area of 280 square meters. First of all, the exterior is carved metal panels, sauna panels and round ceiling lights. The first floor covers an area of about 104 square meters, with 4 rooms, located in the southeast and northwest. The room made a glass curtain wall and a window. The wall is a collection of long panels. Concealed circuits have been made for sockets. The ceiling uses carved metal panels and LED lights. There is also a place reserved for air conditioning sockets here. And this small door is a staircase to heaven on the second floor. The second floor also covers an area of more than 140 square feet. 4 rooms. The balcony is a glass sliding door, sauna board top, anti-corrosion wood floor and stainless steel railing.